Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am doing the post-vacuuming, grooming on this polyester area rug. And as you can see, it's cleaned up very, very well. It's almost dry. I did I used the B side on my pad and gave it an extra pass, which left it dry enough to run the vacuum over, certainly. So I was here a year ago and cleaned this area rug, and as I mentioned in the video where I showed me cleaning it, there was an area right there. It was absolutely black. It came up amazingly well, and it has stayed clean. So they want to just keep it maintained and looking good. So I'm back. There was a blood stain right on the edge of the rug, right down here, which have been there for, well, I'm not sure how long, but it was all dry, of course. Anyway, I used ammonia on it, and then a spotting towel, and it came out pretty easily, actually. I am always hesitant to use ammonia because of the odor, but I was able to just apply it almost directly onto the blood, and you couldn't smell it. I didn't spray it around in the air, in other words. I couldn't smell it at all, actually. Okay, I guess I'm done. So, thanks for watching, and have a good day.